Dear students, in this class we are going to discuss about BLDC motor, that is brushless direct current motors. First we will see the evaluation of the motor. First form of DC motor is conventional DC motor and the second form is permanent magnet DC motor, that is PMDC motor, and next it is converted into brushless permanent DC motor, that is BLPMDC motor. It is simply called as BLDC motor, that is brushless DC motor. First we will see about the conventional DC motor. It is used to convert the electrical energy to mechanical energy. It is used on the principle of when a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field experiences a force. When a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field, it experiences a force. The stator is made up of forged steel with inward projected poles, and poles carry field winding, and rotor is of silicon steel stampings. See the diagram, it is the construction of the DC motor. Then we will see about the permanent magnet DC motor. The construction of PMDC motor is similar to conventional DC motor. The stator poles are replaced by suitable permanent magnet. No need to have field windings. It is called as permanent magnet DC motor. See the construction of permanent magnet DC motor. See, it has brushes. Then the next form, brushless permanent magnet DC motor, that is brushless DC motor. It is also known as electronically commutated motors, that is ECM or EC motor. They are synchronous motors that are powered by a DC electric source via an integrated inverter or switching power supply, which produces an AC electric signal to drive the motor. It is a synchronous motor that are powered by a DC electric source via an integrated inverter or switching power supply, which produces an AC electric signal to drive the motor. See the diagram. It has a controller and a driver unit and a inverter unit. Then it is connected to a motor, and from the motor signal is given to the feedback to the controller. So it is the connection diagram for the BLDC motor. It has magnetic fields generated by the stator and rotor rotate at the same frequency. It has no slip, that is ns minus n equal to 0. The stator consists of several coils which current is led through, creating a magnetic field that makes the rotor turns. It is the construction of PMBLDC motor, that is permanent magnet BLDC motor. See the diagram. It has a stator and stator winding. There will be a winding support, and a permanent magnet rotor. There will be a end plate, shaft, ball bearing, and a Hall effect generators. So it consists of stator winding, permanent magnet rotor. There will be a winding support and end plate, shaft, ball bearing. Finally, it has Hall effect generators. It consists of two parts, mainly stator and rotor. First, we will see about the stator. The stator is made up of silicon steel stampings with slots. The slots are accommodated armature windings. The slots are accommodated in armature windings. This winding is bound with specified number of poles, that is even number of poles. This winding connected a DC supply through a power electronic switching circuits, that is the inverter circuit. The stator is made up of silicon steel stampings with slots. The slots are accommodated armature windings. This winding is bound with specified number of poles, that is even number of poles. This winding connected a DC supply through a power electronic switching circuit, that is the inverter circuit. Then we will see about the rotor. The rotor is of permanent magnet. The number of poles on rotor is same as that of the stator. The rotor shaft carries a RPS, that is rotor position sensor, and it provides information about the position of the shaft at any instant to the controller, which sends signal to the electronic commutator. The rotor shaft carries a RPS. It is the main part of the BLDC motor. The rotor shaft carries a RPS, that is rotor position sensor, and it provides information about the position of the shaft at any instant to the controller, which sends signal to the electronic commutator. The electronic commutator function is same as that of the mechanical commutator in a DC motor, that is used to convert AC into DC. It is the BLDC motor stator. See the diagram. There will be a stampings with slots and there will be a stator winding. It is the BLDC motor rotor. So first one is circular core with magnets on the periphery. Second one is circular core with rectangular magnets embedded in the rotor. Third one is circular core with rectangular magnets inserted into the rotor core. Then we will see about the working of BLDC motor. The rotor and stator of a BLDC motor are shown in the figure. Rotor and stator are shown in the figure. It is clear that the rotor of a BLDC motor is permanent magnet. The stator has a coil arrangement as illustrated. The internal winding of the rotor is illustrated in the figure. The core of the rotor is hidden here. The rotor has 3 coils named A, B, C. See the diagram. There will be a red, green and yellow. Red is A coil, green is B coil and yellow is C coil. Out of these 3 coils, only one coil is illustrated in the figure for simplicity. See the diagram in which only one coil is shown. By applying DC power to the coil will energize and become an electromagnet. The operation of a BLDC motor is based on the simple force interaction between the permanent magnet and the electromagnet. In this condition, when the coil A is energized, the opposite poles of the rotor and stator are attracted to each other. See the diagram. The attractive force is shown in green arrow. As a result, the rotor poles move near to the energized stator. So the operation of BLDC motor is based on the simple force interaction between the permanent magnet and the electromagnet. When the coil is energized, it acts as an electromagnet. In this condition, when the coil A is energized, the opposite poles of the rotor and stator are attracted to each other. The attractive force is shown in green arrows in the diagram. As a result, the rotor poles move near to the energized stator. BDC and BLDC motor. So first one is regarding commutation feature. The BLDC motor requires electronic commutation based on Hall position sensors. The brushed DC motor requires brushed commutation. And regarding maintenance factor, BLDC motor requires less maintenance due to the absence of brushes. But brushed DC motor, there will be a periodic maintenance. And regarding lifetime, BLDC motor has longer lifetime, but the brushed DC motor has shorter lifetime. Regarding speed torque characteristics, the BLDC motor has flat characteristics. It enables the operation at all speeds with rated load. But the brushed DC motor has moderately flat characteristics since at higher speed brush friction increases, thus reducing useful torque. Then regarding the factor of efficiency, BLDC motor has high efficiency since no voltage drop across brushes. But the brushed DC motor has moderate efficiency since it is having brush and commutator. Next, regarding the factor of output power and frame size. The BLDC motor has high output power. It has reduced frame size due to superior thermal characteristics because BLDC has the windings on the stator, which is connected to the case. The heat dissipation is better in the BLDC motor. But in the brushed DC motor, the efficiency, that is the output power, is moderate or low. The heat produced by the armature is dissipated in the air gap, thus increasing the temperature in the air gap and limiting specs on the output power, that is the frame size. Next, regarding the factor of rotor inertia. The BLDC motor has very low rotor inertia because it has permanent magnets on the rotor. This improves the dynamic response of the BLDC motor. Regarding brushed DC motor, it has the high rotor inertia which limits the dynamic characteristics. Then speed range. BLDC motor has higher speed range. No mechanical limitations imposed by brushes or commutator in the BLDC motor. But in the brushed DC motor, there will be a lower speed range since mechanical limitations by the brushes. So next, regarding the electronic noise generation. BLDC motor has low noise generation since it is not having any brushes or commutator. But the brushed DC motor have arcs in the brushes will generate noise causing electromagnetic interference in the equipment nearby. Next, regarding the factor of cost of building. Higher in the case of BLDC motor since it has permanent magnets, building of cost is very high. But in regarding the brushed DC motor, the cost is very low. Then regarding the control characteristics, the control is very complex and expensive in the BLDC motor, but in the brushed DC motor it is very simple and inexpensive. Next, regarding the control requirements, the BLDC motor has a controller is always required to keep the motor running. The same controller can be used for the variable control. But for the BDC motor, no controller is required for fixed speed. A controller is required only if variable speed is desired. Advantages of BLDC motor. It has increased reliability and efficiency, longer life, it eliminates the spark from the commutator, and it has reduced friction, it has faster rate of voltage and current. They are the advantages of BLDC motor, but there will be some disadvantages also there in the BLDC motor. They are, it requires complex drive circuitry for the controller, and it requires additional sensors, it requires higher cost, some designs require manual labor. That is, it requires hand-wound stator coils, so it requires manual labor. They are the disadvantages of the BLDC motor. Then we will see about the applications. Regarding consumer point of view, it is used in hard drives, CD, DVD drives, PC cooling fans, toys, RC airplanes and air conditioners. Regarding medical point of view, it is used in artificial heart surgery, microscopes, centrifuges, arthroscopic surgical tools, dental surgical tools and organ transport pump system. Regarding vehicles, electronic power steering, personal electric vehicles. Most electric vehicles are based on the BLDC motor. Then airplanes, an electric self-launching cell plane that is fired with a 42 kilowatt DC brushless motor and lithium ion batteries can be used in airplane, and it has time up to 3000 meter with fully charged cells. This is the BLDC motor final appearance. It is the torque speed characteristics of the BLDC motor. See the torque speed characteristics. The y-axis is the torque and the x-axis is the speed. It is inversely proportional. Thank you.